Hello everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore, and today I am sharing this cute little briefcase, and it is a Father's Day little treat box. But if you want to make this for a woman, you can just change the designer series paper and you can go from there. But oh my goodness, when I saw this new designer series paper, this was one of the first things I thought about, was making like a briefcase or a luggage or something with it. So I thought I'd make one for Father's Day. And so this is the little treat box. It opens like this, and I have a little Velcro. You can use a Velcro, you can use the magnets. I'm using the same Velcro that I used on my TP card that I made the other day, but isn't that adorable? I think it turned out so cute. I hope you like it. So this is what I'm making today. All right, so I am using the new Cinnamon Cider Cinnamon Cider cardstock. This is one of the new in colors Stampin' Up has come out with. It is available June 3rd, which it's just a few days away. So yeah, this is what we're using, and this is 9.5 by 7.5. We are also using the new designer series paper. These are the 6 by 6. You need one piece that is 5 7/8 by 2 7/8, and then you need one piece that's 2 7/8 by 2 7/8. So it is this new pack right here. These are our new 6 by 6, and we are using the Cinnamon Cider as well. This is the in color pack, but it does come in all of our color families, so you can use that. You've seen me use this a couple times already. I've just been dying to use all this new stuff. It's so exciting. And then I'm using the Wish for Everything, and I'm just going to put Happy Father's Day from this. This is a great one to have if you like to put sentiments together. It's a 2 stamp set, and it's got sentiments for the inside of the card as well. But I love that it has the writing for the happy, but I'm using this happy this time. And I'm also using these are new too, and these are they're called the Anti-Corners and Slides elements, and that's what I used for this little slide that we're using for this. It's so cute. And so that's what we're using for this one. It has corners as well for like your cards or scrapbooks. It's really cute. And you can even put those on if you don't want to round the front of it. I just thought of this, but if you don't want to round the front of it and you want to just leave it square, but I like it rounded, it's so cute, you can put these on the corners. It would be really cute too. But I didn't do that for this one, but you can definitely dress it up with these. They're so cute. I'm just using the Cinnamon Cider ribbon to hold on our tag, and the tag that I'm using is this little tag right here, and this is from the Cup of Cheer, which is retiring. But if you have, you can actually just make your own tag by cutting it with the little edge on it. But I did cut this out already for our tag because it's so cute, and it just looks like a little luggage tag or something. All right, so I think that's everything. So let's go ahead and score this. I love this. I was going to do it in the new Misty Moonlight, which is the blue, but I thought it'd be easier for you to see on this one because the Misty Moonlight's a little bit darker, and sometimes it's hard to see in the video when it's a dark color. All right, we are going to score on the 9.5 inch side at 1/2, 3.5, 5, and 8. And then you're going to turn it, and on the 7.5 inch side you're going to do it at 1.5 and 4.5. That is all for our scoring. All right, now cutting this side with the 1/2 inch is going to be our glue tab side. So we are going to cut up here And we're going to cut across on that one, and then we're going to cut this way, and then we're cutting this one off. So that's our glue tab right there. The shorter side is the bottom of our box. So we are cutting. This would be cute for a dad too. You could put a keychain in there or a tie clip, anything like that would be really cute packaging for Father's Day. All right, and then on this top piece, we're cutting this whole section right here off, all three of these. But keep these because you can punch, there's big enough pieces that you can punch out of them. I wouldn't throw this part away at all. All right, so that is it. On the extra pieces that you have left after you cut out your 7.5 by 9.5, you're going to have some extra pieces. So you do need a piece that's 1/4 inch by 7 inches. This is for the little strap that goes around it. And then for the handle, you need a piece that's 3 by 1/2. Forgot to tell you those. All right, so let's score these. Sharpen them all up here. All right, so I am going to go ahead and I'm going to mat this one this time. I'm just going to mat this piece right here. I'm going to use some, you can use your snail, or I like the wet glue because it holds better. So we're going to mat this onto here. Oh, I needed to round the corners on this first. I need to round these corners. And then I want to round these corners as well. Almost forgot. All right, now we are going to mat that. And then we're going to mat our other piece right here. This is going to be the front. I love the texture on this. It just seems perfect for like a briefcase or something Dad would carry on an airplane on a business trip or something. I thought it was really cute. All right, we're going to use some tear and tape for this part. And we are going to remove that backing. And then we're going to put this together. So line that up really nice. And then this is the front of our box, so we want to put another piece of tear and tape here. I would put 2 pieces. Especially if you're going to put something a little bit heavier in there. Maybe you're going to put some treats or some candy that might be a little hard candy or something like that. Or even, you know, if you put like a tie clip or something, it might be a little bit heavier. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're just going to squeeze the corners just a little bit to give it a little bit of a give. And I took my bone folder and I just go to loosen the fibers just a little bit. I go over that, and then it's going to fold over just like that. I'm going to grab my little Velcro, and I have one of the rough sides here and then the soft side here, and I'm just going to put them together, and then we're going to put it on here. Make sure you line them up good. These are really sticky. And it always wants to stick to my finger. So then we are going to close that up like that and press hard, and then open it up, and then just make sure to give it another press to make sure it stays closed. So that's the basic part of our box. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this piece here, this is the 1/4 inch, and I'm going to grab one of our little slides here. They're so cute. They are super adorable. Oh, and then I need to kind of soften this up too, so it goes through here. It's a 1/4 inch and it fits in there kind of tightly. I may need to clip a little bit more off on my trimmer. So I think I might have gotten a little bit too wide, so I'm going to just cut another piece from this scrap because it just needs to be small enough to go through that little piece there. I think I had that a little bit too wide. All right, again, I'm going to, there we go. You may have to play with it a little bit. And then this piece, it needs to be 7 inches, so I'm going to cut that. And then we're going to add some wet glue to this. And this part I didn't put any on there because you really don't need to, just so it stays. And then you're going to center it in the middle of your bag. And if you have anything hanging over on the bottom here, you're just going to clip it. And then there's the little strap. You don't want to glue this for sure because you won't be able to lift it up if you do glue that. All right, and then let's go ahead and put our handle on. So on the handle, I just scored it 1/2 inch on each side. So I'm just going to score it on my mat here. I don't know if you can see that. I'm just going to score it slightly at 1/2 on each side. And then that'll just give me my little handle part right here. And then again, I'm going to use my bone folder here to just kind of, and then I did use sticky strip, not sticky strip, I always want to say, I used tear and tape on my other one because I didn't want it coming out off. So I'm going to use some wet glue here. And I think if you wait long enough, the wet glue will work just fine. But we're going to put on our tag here too in a minute. So look at how cute. All right. I'm going to flatten that out just a hair. But that took hold really quickly. Normally when I want it to take hold, it doesn't. So there we go, that's better. All right, now I am going to take our little tag I already cut out, and we are going to use some crumb cake. And we're going to do the happy. These are so little and they fit really good on here. I'm going to do the Happy Father's Day. I love these, especially when you're doing bags and boxes and stuff and you want to put just a little tag on. This stamp set's perfect for that. So it says Happy Father's Day, but if you're going to change it for a mother, you can do the Happy Mother's Day. You can do Happy Birthday. Just any sentiment would be really cute. And then we're just going to punch a little hole in the top here. Well, that's a big one. I don't want that one. And then we are going to grab our ribbon. And I have quite a point there. We're not going to need a whole lot of ribbon for this. So I'm just going to cut a little piece off, enough to be able to tie a knot on there. And then I'm going to put it through the handle here. And we're just going to tie it to the handle there. This ribbon, it really ties really nice. I should have put my tag on. I put the tag on backwards actually, and it wants to keep turning over, so let me undo it and do it the right way, or I'm not going to be happy about it. All right, let's just turn it this way. There, that's much better. And then just tie a knot. And then I just trimmed it pretty short. All right, so now we have our Happy Father's Day on there. Isn't that cute? This turned out so cute. I hope you enjoyed it because it's really a fun one to do. And this designer series paper was perfect for it, and the little slide here, it just really dressed it up. All right, everyone, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. I hope you all have a blessed day. If you need any supplies, you can go to stampingwiththemore.com and shop from there. All of the products used today will be available June 3rd in the new catalog coming out, Stampin' Up. Have a blessed one, everyone. I'll catch you in the next one. See you later. Bye.